Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW and the X1. It's sick. Yep, just as I showed you guys, check engine light. I used the Carly and did a scan on it, and it ended up throwing like 23 different faults. Now, I don't know if they're all related or are some of them old. I'm not too sure, but it's got a check engine light and it won't go away. It seems to be running okay, maybe a little bit sluggish, but yeah, other than that, it seems to be okay. It's just got that nasty check engine light. I guess that means it does have an engine under there. So we're going to take it up to the BMW gallery, get it checked out. We'll see what kind of vehicle they give me for a loaner today. Maybe it's something else I can do a review on today. Who knows? Maybe I'll get an SUV this time. I'm not sure. Let's get the X1 to the gallery and get it taken care of so that we have a safe, reliable vehicle.
Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall.
Alright guys, low key, I was kind of hoping the check engine light was going to go off on the drive up here and it was just the gas cap or something simple, but that's not the case. So we're here at the gallery. You guys have been here before. Let's get this checked in and taken care of. You guys will probably remember this vehicle from this summer. We got the i8 parked in the showroom. What do you guys think of the i8? Would you take the i8? The M8 or the M4? I think M3 for me, but the i8 is pretty sweet. Here's some good video montage of the i8. What do you guys think if we started over with the new G-Body M340? Powerful engine, good platform, still got the X drive. Be one of the first to have the new M340 on bags. What do you guys think? I think it would be good content, and it'd be nice to have a fresh new platform that nobody's really doing yet. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Well guys, we got a 2019 BMW X1 as a loaner today. So the difference between the 2017 X1 and the 2019 X1 is the seats. They 100% changed the seats. They are definitely way more comfortable in this 2019 model. The gauges have been updated. They are a little fancier. Same shifter, same basic configuration on the iDrive system. This one has the navigation where ours doesn't. It's also got the parking control and lane departure warning system, which is yeah, something I could get used to. I don't mind it at all. And other than that, same size, same body style, no differences. This one's white, and this one has somebody's garage door remote in it. Whoops. So far, same power, same engine, same drivetrain as the 2017. It's just got a few more creature features, but I'll do more of a review later this afternoon. Let's get to work. Okay, finished work for the day, and apparently the X1 is all done. What was the problem with it? I don't know yet. We're gonna go find out. Something to do with the temperature change and calling for more fuel, and then I don't know. All I believe that the fix was they had to do an oil change because fuel got into the oil, and then they have to do a software update to the computers or something. But let's head up to the gallery and we'll find out more about it. The red vehicle little car on the dash that I just showed you is an indication that you're too close to the vehicle in front of you. Now, something that I've learned, which is kind of fascinating, and it's kind of showed me that maybe I follow a little too close typically with the other vehicles, because I've never had this warning system before, and I mean, I've never rear-ended anybody, but to me, it's showing me that maybe I do follow a little close, and I just maybe need to learn to back off a little bit. So there is some positivity in having all these little warning systems and using them, because they're just built into the new vehicles for our safety as drivers. So little tidbit of, you know, little lesson for myself of driving something new and having these systems on board. But just thought I would share that with you guys. And now we're just going to focus on driving and getting over to the dealership and handing over the rental. Welcome back to HQ BMW headquarters. We got the X1 picked up, and like I said, I told you guys I'd let you know what was actually wrong with the X1. Well, it is basically a whole lot of mumble jumble. I'll show you. You guys can pause that if you want to read it, but it talks about the lambada mixtures and what they're supposed to be, and that basically the engine is running too rich. So they remove the oil cap and they can smell fuel in the oil again. So they did an oil change, and then they reset engine mixture adaptation values and programmed the vehicle to the latest integration level. So they basically reset the computer to the latest and greatest software. Hopefully that's going to fix the issue and we won't have to run into this again. But this is twice that we've had the same issue. The first time though, we never actually got a check engine light. So when it happened the first time, it was like really jerky and just had horrible acceleration. So anyways, it was a quick fix. They got the X1 all cleaned up again, which is nice. It all nice and fresh and clean, but it's not going to stay like that because it's so wet outside now. Sorry there's been a bit of a break in the vlogs, but last week it was like minus 44 and everything was frozen. We didn't do nothing. It was way too cold to do anything. It was basically go to work, come home, and do everything you could to stay warm. But like that, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.